All right, so a new trend that seems to be going on in the RV world is bigger and bigger, like destination trailers, and something that's kind of new on the scene, or is becoming more prominent, these destination fifth wheels. And we have just wandered upon the Wildwood Heritage Glen. It's new for the show. It's the Roost 43, and this thing is enormous. Unloaded vehicle weight's 15,364. Hitch weight is 2815. Now, exterior length is 43 feet 9 inches, and it is a destination fifth wheel, and it's enormous. So let's step inside and take a look and see what's in there. We haven't even been inside yet. I wonder if it comes with this deck.
It should.
This is the Roost 43. Laminated fifth wheel construction. Big sliding glass door. Wow.
Okay, I'm a huge fan of walnut butcher block. So here we are.
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is it.
This is.
Look at this couch.
This is crazy.
Look, there's a little side table, you know, a little couch table behind there, the spiral staircase, this ginormous TV. What an adorable little loft area.
Film up there.
Look at this cute thing. You have storage. You have a place to keep all your little things and the kids.
Wow. This is cool. All right. So a sectional sofa back here, coffee table, fireplace, JBL sound system with a big Connex 65-inch TV.
Has a flush. The slides are flush.
This is not wood.
No. So, a very nice.
That is a nice stove. I like
Oh,
that.
look! You can
at
cook.
that.
You can cook the turkey in here.
Yeah, that is really nice. Furrion. This looks. We're seeing that Furrion 12-volt fridge in everything. It is
Oh,
nice.
check out the sink system. Look, you have your.
Oh, we got water.
Who knew that they had water? But check out the sink. Look, this is an amazing little system. You can do all the things.
That is crazy.
That
Here's
was
the one thing that I'm not gonna
winterizer.
like already. Yeah, well, hey, it's got it's with that winterizer. Mm-hmm. It's got floor vents.
Oh my gosh! Look,
Oh, nice.
you have a laundry area where you can fold your clothes.
That's crazy.
Large shower.
What's that?
Storage.
Storage for towels and such. Nice big shower.
Towel bar. Love that. Has a seat in the shower that folds down. Look at this. Look at this vanity though. Look at that.
What is, okay, so this is a loft area up the stairs here.
Well, this isn't too horrible for an adult. Adult could do this.
Yeah. Louvers. And then we have a small step down into the master suite. This thing's enormous.
Which also has a half bath.
Oh, nice.
So that is amazing. This is really cute. Look at this little desk area where you can like have a little workspace. Check out the outside.
Groovy little seat.
Wow, what a pleasant surprise.
Nice. We got TV, storage, fireplace. You're not towing this thing on the family vacation every weekend, but it's about as
Homey.
aerodynamic as a broadside of a barn. But look at this. Isn't that crazy?
It's beautiful.
Stepping down here to look at the outside JBL speakers. We got, is that 2? Yeah. 2 exterior fridges. A giant low-ride cargo tray with the Xantrax inverter in there. Huge storage compartment, I'm sure, in there. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, spare tire, battery boxes. Wow. All right, there is a 30-pound propane tank there. What is this? All right, here's your water station, which I like that it's all by itself. It's got a built-in filter there. Here's your antifreeze fill and all your tank pulls. Suburban tankless water heater. 50 amp. Huge, huge, huge. That is a big thing. That is crazy. Like I said, you're not, I don't think, hauling this thing on the weekend vacation camping trips. But if you're putting it somewhere for a season, or you're having it placed up north for the summertime and down south in Florida for the wintertime, then maybe not a bad option if that's what you want to do. Yeah, check it out. The Wildwood Heritage Glen at Roost 43, new here on Home on the Hitch and at the Hershey RV Show 2024.